Excellent. So this is the sheet that should help you guys in the preparation for submitting for the exam. You put your project on the left side. One is the start date, one is the finish date. You put the percentage of time that you spend on the project, and when you do that, the number of hours will be changing automatically. We try to go for 80% or 90% of the time only. We don't put 100% of the time working on the project, because people do have some overhead work that doesn't apply to a project from time to time. So try to put on the start date, finish date of every project, percentage of time spent. This gives you the time. So that's the reference. And then you start filling up. Conducting project selections. Well, I spent 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, and so on. On the lower side, you will see a reference guide for what is the reference on one side and what you put on the other. So as you can see, the reference is that on the initiation, it should be around 10%. So in this example, because we just filled the first column, it's showing 100% of the time spent on initiation. Not good. I want to show the PMI that I've been working on projects in all phases of the project. I am a well-rounded, experienced project manager, right? I've been working as a project manager for 4,500 hours. So it doesn't have to be balanced per project. It has to be balanced for the overall application. So it's okay if one of the projects you just worked on initiation and planning. If another project you worked on execution and so on, as long as overall your total percentage would be something around this. Initiating almost 10%, planning almost 30, executing almost 25, controlling almost 25, closing almost 10%. The numbers will be added up as you add them in this place, and then you will see the total hours. So that's the total hours that you claimed, and these are the total hours that you should be claiming. So that's the first checkpoint. You don't want your numbers to be sparkling red light there. You want to show them that it's reasonable. I spent 1 year and I have almost 1 year in hours, right? You can't say I've been working 24 hours on the project. You can only work 8 hours per day, 5 days a week. So this will help you understand your reference. That will show how much you claimed. As long as this number is less than that one, you're good. If you put a bigger number there, you will automatically see it going red, telling you, no, something is wrong here. And then it adds up the numbers. Again, it shows if the number is less than 4,500, it's showing red. Once you cross the 4,500, this means you're good. So this is a good tool for you to add all your projects, determine the percentage of time spent on them, understand how much you can claim, plot this distribution in a way that is reasonable, realistic, and aligns with the reference guide on the lower side. When the total number adds up to 4,400 plus, this means you're good to go. Any questions about this application? Again, this is a tool that you can use as a draft. We do have a filled example here. We have so many projects. We have different percentages. This is the number, total 6634, which is good. And then you can see the reference. It doesn't have to be the same. So in this case, 28, the reference is 30. That's fine. Few percentage points up or down are okay as long as you are within the range. Okay, so I will make sure that we can send you this sheet along with many other things that you will be seeing throughout this session. So there are so many resources that I'll be happy to share with you guys, and these would be very helpful for your exam preparation. So this was this. Let me close it.